All right, so we're going to give you a similar scenario. So there's two different students. This student has $0 and they have an opportunity to make $20 an hour. Well, this student has $50, but they're only going to make $15 per hour. Now, will they eventually have the same amount of money? Well, this person's only starting off with 0 and this person's starting off with 50. Will this person eventually catch up with them? If so, when will that be? Well, the word we're going to use is when will they be the same? And the math word that means the same thing as same is called equal, right? When will these be equal to each other? Well, we've been learning how to solve equations with variables on both sides. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to make this y equals this and y equals this. We're going to make, since they're both equal to y, we can make them equal to each other. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to write 20x plus 0 is equal to 15x plus 50. Now, we were learning how to combine, well, we were learning how to distribute, combine, and collect, right? Before we went to solve. Now, is there anything to distribute? Are there any parentheses? No. Is there anything that I can collect? No. Now, why not? Because these variables are on opposite sides. Is there anything I can collect? Yes, I need to get these variables all to the same side of the equal sign. Now, which one do I suggest we get rid of? The smaller one, right? So I would say minus 15x, and I would minus 15x. Those cancel out, so now I just have 5x over here. This is 0, so I don't even need to write it, is equal to 50. Now, what do I have to do to get this variable by itself? The opposite operation, the opposite of multiply is to divide, and x is equal to 10. So how many hours will it take for them to have the same amount of money? 10 hours is when they will be equal. So if I take that 10 and I plug it in here, and I take that plug it in here, after 10 hours, this person will have $200. And after 10 hours, this person will have $200. So on a graph, if I were to graph this, one of these starts at 0 down here, and it goes up $20 per hour. And one of these starts at 50, but it only goes up $15 per hour. So the solution is where they cross, and they cross at 10, 200. So after 10 hours, they will both have $200. So the reason why we've been learning how to solve equations with variables on both sides is they'll give you two linear equations and they'll ask you when are they the same. Well, the word same means equal, so we make them equal to each other and then we solve for x. After we find our x, we plug the x in up here, so then we can get our output over here, which is our solution.